Hindus across the country and West Bengal in particular have started taking to the streets to protest against atrocities on Hindus in Bangladesh. Responding to a Bangladeshi politician, Ruhul Kabir Rizvi, setting on fire an Indian sari belonging to his wife on December 5th, the Bengali Hindu Suraksha Samiti burned Bangladesh famous Jamdani saris in North Kolkata. The Suraksha Samiti members also gave a call for boycotting all Bangladeshi products, including saris. Protests have broken out in the entire West Bengal and other parts of India over the arrest of ISKCON monk Chinmoy Krishnadas in Dhaka last month. Chinmoy Das has been falsely accused of treason. He has been leading protests against alleged atrocities on minorities in Bangladesh. Several ISKCON centers and temples have been forcibly shut down in Bangladesh in recent days. Protests have also taken place in Kanthi, Kakdweep, Sandesh Khali and Purulia, calling for the immediate release of Hindu leader Chinmoy Krishnadas. Leading the protest rally in Kanthi, the state's leader of the opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, said Sanatanis were united against rising fundamentalist forces in Bangladesh. The martyrdom of 30,000 Indian soldiers in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War has been forgotten by the Islamists in the neighboring country. Today's rally is a wake-up call to the elements across the border to stop rebel-rousing rhetoric. Adhikari said the minority Hindu community in Bangladesh has reportedly faced more than 200 attacks in 50-odd districts after Hasina's Awami League government fell.